All right, prime time. Here's the video to find the winner of our break number one, which is one of the 86-87 Fleer NBA mystery box cards. We'll check the time, June 11th at 10:22 p.m. We're going to go over to, well, we'll call it the raffle since this is technically a raffle now. And type live, we have June 11th at 10:22 p.m. There's the list of our 9 entries. We're just going to randomize your names, and then whoever's on top after the final roll is our winner. So we need a dice roll of 5 or higher. There's 8. All right, 8 times. Here we go. Oop, error. Try it again. Sorry about that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Last and final. Here we go. Good luck. It is Eric Gold Spot 7. That first box is yours, whatever is in there. So there is our verification code, our timestamp. Once again, June 11th, 10:23 p.m. That's it, guys. Thanks.